Welcome to Expert Excel with Dr. Chang. For today's episode, we are going to explore how we can extract the first name and last name from a cell that contains the full name in Excel. To accomplish this, we have two approaches that we can utilize. The first approach is to use Excel Smart Fields, which is easy but not flexible when the data changes. The second approach is to use function, which is a little bit more difficult as you need to use function and calculation, but it is a little bit more flexible. For Smart Fields, you can type the first name after the column of your name list. Repeat this for the next row, and Excel will automatically deduce that you want the first name and fill up the rest of the cells for you. You can rinse and repeat for the last name to get the results that you are looking for. The issue is that the extracted names are saved as text. So if you have any changes with the name list, Excel won't automatically update the values for you. For the function approach, we need to understand the logic. To extract the first name, we have to find the position of the space in the name first. After that, we can use the left function to extract the first name by using the position of space -1 as the numbers of characters you want from the start of the text. For the last name, we have to find the length of the name before we go on. Once we subtract the length of the name with the position of the space, we can get the number of characters in the last name. We can now use the right function to extract the last name using the previous calculation. Please note that there are multiple other solutions that you can do to extract the first and last name, but that would not be covered in this episode. The good part of using the function is that if the name list changes, the function would allow the values to be dynamically changed. So this concludes the episode of Expert Excel with Dr. Chang. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you do have any Excel questions, please write down in the comments below, and see you in the next episode of Expert Excel with Dr. Chang.